Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my English channel Salam. Welcome to Google Sheet Studies at Salam channel. Here we present various approaches, tips and tricks for you to use when working with data in Google Sheets. We show you the basic formula, more complex formula, and how those work together. So subscribe my channel to become a pro in Google Sheets. And today I will help you to start using the sum formula. Guys, sambil belajar Google Sheet, kita akan belajar beberapa menambah kosakata kita dalam bahasa Inggris tentang rumus-rumus yang digunakan di dalam Google Sheet. Kali ini kita akan belajar formula sum. Okay. There are various ways how you can get total in Google Sheets. Ada beberapa cara bagaimana cara mendapatkan jumlah dalam Google Sheet. We will go through different approaches and you can choose the best one depending on your needs. We will use the client's payment details as our data set. Here we have the names of our clients, the subscription type, okay, location, and company size. Maksudnya tabel ini kita akan memiliki client, subscription type, location, company size, payment amount, and transaction date. In Google Sheets, we work with numbers a lot, and we often need a total range. Yeah, we work with number a lot. If you have many numbers to be submit, doing it manually is not efficient. Kalau kita bekerja secara manual tidak efisien waktu. In this case, you can use the sum formula. For this, silakan ketik type in the equality sign sum and the letter case doesn't matter here, and open parenthesis. The description of the formula will pop up, akan muncul langsung di Google Sheet, will pop up deskripsi formula. Okay, you can see if it is somehow interferes you can hide it. Jika mengganggu, Anda bisa menyembunyikannya. Open parenthesis, click and drag the range you want to get submit. Click and drag the range you want to get submit, and then close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see the sum of payment amount. If you have a much larger data set to be submit, you can type the range manually in the formula. You can type, for this, type equality sign, yeah, sum open parenthesis, cell index, yeah, where the range start, colon, and the last cell index. Close the parenthesis and press the enter. Okay. There is one more trick you can use when you specifying a range. Ada beberapa trik yang Anda bisa gunakan ketika menspesifikasi range. Imagine we want to add new payments to the dataset every month, and you want the sum to be updated automatically. Exactly. So if you want to add new payments in Google Sheets, you can state the whole columns as a range. In Google Sheet, you can state the whole column as a range. In our case, we need to summarize the E column, especially value from E2 till the end. E2 till the end. Values from E2 till the end. Colon E, colon, okay, of the column. So in the formula we type equality sign, sum, open parenthesis, E2, colon E, close parenthesis, press enter. Okay, I hope you understand. Quality sign, sum, open parenthesis, E2, colon E, close, press enter. If you want to use this approach, remember not to add anything else except of the payment to the column E, as it will break the logic. I hope you understand. We recommend you to keep your dataset and your calculation in different columns or on different tabs. Pelajaran sebelumnya sudah memperkenalkan apa itu kolom, apa itu tabs. And here is the last trick with getting a simple sum in Google Sheets. If you need to have a quick look at the sum of numbers, but don't need it permanently on your sheet, select the range to be summed. If you need to have a quick look at the sum of numbers, but not need it permanently on your sheet, select the range be summed. Select the range be summed. A new tab will appear in the bottom right corner of the window. A new tab will appear in the bottom right corner of the window. That's it. You can see the sum as well as the average, minimum and maximum value and the count of items. Anda bisa melihat jumlah, rata-rata, minimal, maksimal, count, dan jumlah nomor. You can see the sum as well as the average, minimum, maximum value and the count of items in the selected range. Let's see how the sum if and sum if formulas work. Kita sekarang akan belajar rumus sum if dan sum if. I will show you some useful tricks to organize your data so that you can boost your level of proficiency in this tool, supaya meningkatkan kemampuan Anda dalam Google Sheet. If you need to sum a range that matches one specific criteria, you can use the Sumif formula. Itu yang dimaksud dengan rumus Sumif formula. To sum a range that matches one specific criteria. Let's go back to our client's payments database and count the revenue from our customers in the United States. Kita akan menghitung database United States, khusus United States saja, menggunakan formula SUMIF. To use the SUMIF formula, we need to define the criteria range and a range that needs to be summed. The pop-up will appear. So the criteria range will be the location, and we need to sum the payments. Okay, type in the quality sign SUMIF open parenthesis, and this is where the formula description. Pop-ups again. Yeah. You can always use it in case you get lost. Define the criteria range. This is the column C. Starting from C2. Column C is the C column starting from C2. So we type C2 colon C, comma. Now we define the exact value to match. For this, open quotes, yeah. Type United States and then close the quotes. Koma 2 di atas itu disebut quotes. Remember that. Perlu diingat, when you use quotes in Google Sheet formula, the algorithm will search for the exact match. So make sure that the letter case matches and that you don't have any additional spaces. Tidak ada spasi ya. And that you don't have any additional spaces. You can also use the data validation function to keep your data accurate. Anda bisa menggunakan data validation function to keep your data accurate, supaya data Anda tetap akurat. For that, watch in the next video. We will show you the data validation function in Google Sheet. Kita akan belajar data validation function di Google Sheet. Finally, we define the range to sum. Yeah. Okay. For us, this is column E, starting from E2. And to include all of the values that can be added in the future, so we type E2 and then colon E and close parenthesis. We press enter and can see the sum if formula. So colon E and close the parenthesis. We press enter and can see the sum if formula result. Okay, that is the result, guys. There is one more way to input the value. Ada beberapa cara lagi untuk menginput nilainya. Add the value to separate cell and type in the cell index to the sum if formula as the value to match. This input method is a better way to input data because you can visually match criteria and the counted sum. Supaya Anda mudah melihat kriteria yang cocok dan jumlah yang dihitung. Simply, click on the cell or type in the cell index and you are all set. Simply click on the cell, then or type in the cell index and you are all set. You might need to some range that matches multiple criteria. Anda mungkin perlu menjumlahkan range, mencocokkan kriteria yang multiple, and this is where we use the sum ifs formula. Kita menggunakan rumus sum ifs, ada s-nya. The logic is the same as for the sum if. Sama rumusnya dengan sum if, but the structure is slightly different. Tapi ada perbedaan khusus. Nah, sekarang and here you can add multiple criteria range and values. Let's count the revenue from enterprise clients. Enterprise clients based in the United States. Kita akan menjumlahkan enterprise-nya for enterprise. Kita masukkan rumusnya. We type the equality sign, sum ifs, open parenthesis, open parenthesis, buka kurung maksudnya, range to sum e to e, range to sum e to e, kriteria range tagar 1 ya, C2 to C, value to match United States, kriteria range tagar 2 ya, value to match enterprise, kriteria range ya, close parenthesis ya, value to match enterprise, close parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you can also add values in separate cells and type in their indexes in the formula. You can also add values in the separate cells Now we can see the sum counted based on multiple criteria. Multiple criteria, kriterianya banyak ya, lebih dari satu. You can also use the sum if formula to get a sum based on the single criteria. The formula will still work. So, and this is how use the sum if and sum ifs formulas in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, press the thumbs up for other viewers to find it faster. We are eager to share our knowledge with you, so subscribe my channel Amsar Sadang, and then don't forget press the bell to get notified and improve your approaches to the data management. You can share to our student also. So this video, we hope you can improve your approaches to data management with us. Share to our students, share to our friends. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.